Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the write and read file in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here my previous video lecture, I take this editor because this editor you can change the drive and save to your particular file to an folder. But there is not full screen. So here I take this Turbo C++ editor and here that is full screen, but we cannot change to our drive. Let us check here. Our drive list is not possible, so we can default save in turbo c3 and bin folder. So yes, that we can use, and after that we can come in the window and copy and paste to our particular folder. That is possibility in this editor. So yes, here I take new file and then our goal, write a program to write and read a text file. Yes, so already I take say that one video lecture write and read, but that video lecture we can use the putc and getc, and here we can use fputc and fgetc function. So different path, but the work is same. And let us check first help menu and that syntax. So yes, fgetc, and here you can see that is not macro. fgetc get a character from a string, means reading from a file. String means collection of bytes, and fputc output a character to a file. So write to one character to file. And here that syntax. So same syntax fgetc and put f getc is a only getc, same syntax. So here yes, that is same. So yes, I cannot write, yes, already is giving the syntax. So we can use these two syntax and two function. And now we can start directly. So yes, first our header file. So stdio.h, then conio.h, console input output, and that define data type file pointer our define, and that is standard input output, that header file. So we cannot any extra header file is required in file management in C. Okay, so here we can take ch and then file pointer, that is define data type. Yes, and structure. So that is a file structure, we can say that data structure. And then here first fopen. So fp is a return. So here there are three tasks fopen. So here I first write the syntax. So there are two arguments, and here we can open write w for write mode, and here at c and then turbo c3 and double slash, yes, and bin, and here we can write character text. Ch means character text and txt file. So test, yes, not text, test dot, yes. Now ready. So let us check, yes, what is a three function of fopen function. So there are three tasks, we can say that fopen. There are first search that file in particular path. Here we can provide the path turbo c3 and bin. So that is a searching. If file is not exit, so that is a write and creating new file. If exit file, then first content deleted and then load into buffer. So first task is a searching, and then second task is a load into buffer, and then buffer first byte of that file, first beginning of character that assigned to address to our file pointer. So there are three tasks of fopen function. Yes, now here we can give some message. So we can say that enter file details, or we can write means enter, and then taking while loop. Yes, so here we can also use while loop, and not equal to eof, end of file. Yes, and that ch, and we can use get chr. Yes, and that is syntax. So means get chr, get chr, get che, and get ch. So all are character accepting function, but all three different way work. So you can watch my YouTube one lecture is there, different verses get ch, get che, and get chr. So yes, that is very important for your knowledge. And here we can use get chr, and then we can fputc, and here we can provide two arguments. So first our character and then file pointer, and then f close. Yes, f close is also three tasks, three function means that use. So here that first buffer our writing file that store in permanent this ch text file permanently hard disk. First task, second task that assigned to the null means end of file, not null but end of file, that ASCII code is 26, and that put in the end of file, and then termination the link buffer and our hard disk. So there are three tasks of f close function. So three tasks of fopen function. So you can see here in file management, actually we cannot write and read in our hard disk file. Means we can directly not writing hard disk to file. In buffer in between, we can write and read. Buffer we have to write and then read. So whenever we can write, so first content store in buffer, and then we can close that file. So that is so save, and then end of file that termination, and then close termination the link buffer and hard disk. So that is a, we have to not file management directly write to read in hard disk our drive. So yes, that's not possibility. So we can always buffer write and reading in file management. Yes, that is reading is perfectly. And here, yes, let us check one if condition. If file path or any spelling mistake, so fp assigned to null. So we can give here one type of message. So if file is not properly open or this any path problem, so here that directly give the file can't open. So that type of message, and here we can return. So return keyword directly return, and same I copy this all content to reading. Yes, that is a writing, and now reading part is start. So here we can say the get ch. Yes, here I get chr and get ch. You can see our output, but that actually not that purpose. But you can watch my video so that you can get the idea what is use of get ch, get chr, and get che. Okay, so here we can close and then reopen for read mode, same file. Yes, so same file and that same content, and here we can change the message. So the file details are, yes, so out of the while loop, and here we can use the fget fget c, yes, and then here pass file pointer, and here we can use the printf function. Yes, so printf and then percentage c, and then our ch variable. So that is a reading. Yes, let us check. First I save this file. So write read, and we can say that put or get and put both function we can use. So f get c, you can any one name, or you can say the get and fgp, get and put, that type of meaning. So yes, let us check that type of meaning you understand. So otherwise you can get any one function name, like here we can put c. Yes, f write read f put c, and you can understand that after we can f get c. So yes, we can, yes, already there file one is there. So here we can give the some other name. So yes, write read underscore f uh, gp, yes, dot c. So means put and get. First put means write and then get. So yes, here we can first check our path. Yes, here 10 drive and turbo turboc3, yes, and then bin. So we cannot spelling mistake. So turboc3 and bin. Any here double slash, that is a part of the syntax. So if you provide single slash, then we can also check how it work, but not work. We can take one error. Yes, so we can learn more. Sometime in C language we can take the error and we can get new idea, or we can how solve our error. Here there is no any error. Now I run. Yes, so here we can say that we are students of F5 BCA SAM1. Yes. and then this is, or we can say that file management, yes, in C language. So C LNG language, yes. So that is there perfectly, and I now press Control Z. So that is a sign of end of file, and I press enter. So yes, that perfectly write and read. Two line I write. You can write any number of lines. There is no limit. But character by character, you can watch put in watch window. I previously my video I already get C and put C that taking watch window. But here that same similar type of pair F put C and F get C. So here we cannot take watch window. So you can see that video also if you not understand. So here very simple, and here now I take one error. Yes, how get the error? So here I take one slash remove, and let us check that possibility or not. So I control Z. So here you cannot see any output. Alter F5. Yes, that file cannot open because that is a not opening. That path is wrong. So file cannot open, means cannot be open. So here must be two slash. So F open that syntax first is a file with that path and not any mistake their path or double slash and try name all are perfectly well. And then second argument is a file mode. So let us check that file is created or not. So here I press the window key and go in our C, the laptop C drive, that C drive, and turbo C++, and then disk folder, and then turbo C3. That directly, that path is a turbo C bin, and then ch and text. Yes, that file is created here. Look, that notepad file, and I enter. So here, look, our two line. This is a test file, and we are student of FIBCSM1. So that test file means temporary or we can testing. So yes, so that file is created by default our notepad, and let us again I open editor. So write yes, now I complete this session. So write this program to your C notebooks if you prepare very simple and interesting write and reading. So now I close this file and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.